Assalamu alaikum, this is Mustaqim from Albayati General Trading. Today present this electric furnace. This electric furnace, this 3 kilo furnace from Italy. This electric furnace made in Italy. This from India. This also electric melting furnace, and this from also India. This gas, you buy gas, you can use this by gas. You connect the 5 line here. This gas line 5 connector. This gas connect. After you fire inside and move, you put the inside your gold. After open this door and hold this one and put the fire, close this door. Maybe maximum need 20 minutes this melting. Also this one same working. You open the door, inside have crucible. You put inside this 2 kilo crucible. You put inside the gold and close the door and put the switch. After coming here, this can show you how many degree this percent is melting. Maybe need 20 minutes. Also this one need 15 minutes. This 3 kilo this crucible, this 3 kilo melting need 15 minutes. This way. Thank you so much.